so please stay home, stay healthy.
You trying to say you're relatable? You're not relatable.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kitan here, and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup. I put my hair in here and my outfit as well. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you think of this look. Thank you. All right, I am very oily. I'm using my Becca primer to, get my skin matte. I'm also going to go in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. Once again, matte. Then I'm going in with a setting spray to just tie it all in. My nails are crazy. Who else can relate? So do my eyebrows. Everything is looking crazy, but it's fine. It's fine. So I'm using the Huda Beauty. Can I talk? Huda Beauty foundation. It's very, very full coverage, like extremely. So if you want to try this, just know that you're going to get a really full coverage look. But if you don't need that, then maybe something like the Fenty Beauty foundation, which I also love, would work for you. Then going in with my Laura Mercier, God, please help me. My LA Pro Girl Concealer, cheap and gets the job done. Gets it done. I really like it. I also like the Armani concealer as well. That also does the trick. So that's an alternative. Then I'm going in with my Real Techniques foundation sponge. I believe that's what it's called. And I use it dry. It needs to be washed. Please excuse everything that's happening. Then Laura Mercier translucent powder again, just to set everything that I just highlighted. This is very, very important. This is actually one of those steps that I hate missing, because then my whole makeup looks like a trash bag, and we don't want that. It's not what we want at all. How are you guys doing? Are you guys okay? Let me know in the comment section down below how you're doing, because I know it's a tough time for everyone. I'm going to leave some links to some places you can support people down below. If you have a small business you want other people to support, I'll also leave that in description. Also leave that in the comment section so people can support, and just say how you're feeling. Use it as a space to vent. I'm about to do my eyeshadow, and I use this color from Huda Beauty like as if, look at this, it's already finished. And look at me, I'm still trying to make it work. I really need to re-up on this palette because I love it so much. It's just a nice little orangey nude situation that just is amazing. Nobody. I'm listening to some Afro beats, so throughout this video, you guys are going to be hearing some dope Afro beats. And look at me now. I'm using my hand. To fix my eyeshadow. That's the level I've gone to. If you want me to do a Afro beats playlist video, driving around, not going anywhere, then let me know in the comment section. I will do that for you. Going in with my eyeliner. It's the tattoo liner from Kat Von D.
What am I doing?
And yeah, here is my eyeliner, before and then after. I usually do it like this. Honestly, a lot of times, more often than not, it looks insane. I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. Then I'm going in with my Laura Mercier mascara. It's amazing. You should try it because it's really, really good. It gets the job done. It's helping my 3 little lash extensions that are still remaining. It's helping them, live. Oh gosh. This current situation is not the best. It's not the best. But you know what? We're making the best of what we have. My sister actually is here from Atlanta. She came to LA for her spring break, and somehow, some way, she's still here. I have been using this time to be on TikTok. TikTok has been my favorite thing. If you follow me on TikTok, you know that I'm literally obsessed. Anybody else on TikTok? Leave your TikTok name down below so I can check some of you guys out. Check me out. I'm at Katana, so that's me right there. I'm setting my face now because it's necessary, and I even had to go and use paper because it takes forever for all my. I don't know why I use so much setting spray, but paper is where it was what was right in front of me, and hey, whatever works, you make do. Now I'm getting my bottom lashes, and of course I made a mistake. Look at my right side. I'm looking like a fool. So I don't even know why I'm even trying to do a tutorial for you guys, but you guys are asking for everyday makeup routine. So this is my everyday makeup routine. Please don't even try to make fun of anything I'm doing because I can't handle it at this moment, going through it. It's funny because I actually work from home, but when you have to stay home, it's a different thing entirely. I've been using Patricia's face palette. I love it, by the way. It's her collaboration with Makeup Revolution. It's so great. And I'm just using the gold to get my inner tear duct. I started doing that and it's amazing. It makes your eyes pop. And I started doing it a long time ago and it's stuck. Putting something light in your inner tear duct is a big, big, big vibe. And then I also, put it on my cheeks as well, get some little highlight, trying to glow or whatever, Ew. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop lip pencil. This is amazing. I used to use Pitch, I think, but now this is another. I have it down below because I have no idea what I'm even talking about. But it's a really great brown for my Limbo Lippy Ultra Matte lipstick. I'm saying rubbish, but anyway, I love it. It's the perfect brown. You guys are always asking me what lip color I'm using, so go down in this video in the description box and you can get a link to this because it's amazing. But what I will say though is that it does leave that little line of demarcation, so you have to kind of keep retouching and it flakes a little bit, but it's so cheap that I have like 10, That was a TikTok of me curling this hair from what it was before to now. And yeah, so I'm done. Now I'm going to move on to my outfit. I wore a little Easter dress that I got from Fashion Nova. I'll leave a link to it down below if it's still there. But yeah, here is my, I put some hoops on as well because, I was trying to get all fancy to stay in the house, to stay in my living room. Anyway, I'm done, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below if you like the look and any more videos you want to see. Yeah, check down in the description box for things you can be doing to help people, and also if you want any of the things that I used in this video. All right, guys. Bye.
She's not a serious person at all.
Down. Oh yeah, talk to me, mama.